Hey guys, it's Lavina.
And Nicole.
And welcome to the Lavina and Nicole Show. Today's edition is Interactions of Living Things
In Costa Rica!
Now me and Nicole and Bobby are off to Costa Rica.
See you in 6 hours.
So here we are in beautiful Costa Rica.
With abiotic and biotic factors surrounding us.
Well, Nicole, what are abiotic factors?
Abiotic factors are all the non-living things in our environment. The biotic factors are all the living things in our environment,
Such as these monkeys and the birds.
and these bananas, the grass, and the trees.
I'm a toucan! Nicole, what are you doing up there?
Nothing dangerous. I'm just gonna jump off this balcony and see if I can fly.
No, Nicole, you're gonna get down here right now so we can teach them about the 6 levels of the environment.
But the bananas, they're so juicy.
I don't care, just get down here right now!
Fine. Why you gotta be so bossy?
The environment is made out of 6 levels.
Getting smaller as they go down.
The largest one is the biosphere. It is any area where living organisms exist, from the tallest mountains to the deepest part of the sea.
The second largest is the biome. A biome is an area in the biosphere where everything depends on the climate.
Third largest one is ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of organisms and their abiotic environment. One of the most beautiful ecosystems in the world is actually here, Costa Rica.
A community is all the populations of organisms that live and interact with each other.
Population is a group of individuals that are the same species that live in the same area.
Finally, an individual is one organism.
All these pictures of monkeys we are showing you are individuals because they are all unique in their own way. Organisms are split into 3 groups depending on what they do in the environment. Those 3 groups are producers, consumers, and decomposers.
This is a producer. It uses sunlight to make energy. This is also known as photosynthesis.
A consumer is the opposite of a producer. Instead of making their own food, they have to depend on other animals for their energy.
Decomposers are organisms that break down dead organisms to get nutrients. They produce simple objects like water and carbon dioxide.
Now the first part of our tropical food chain is the producer, which is a banana.
Hello, senor. The second part in the food chain is the primary consumer. So, the primary consumer will eat the producer.
Now, as you can see, there are only 2 more bananas left because the monkey has already used up half of the energy. So, when the third part of our food chain, a snake, and the secondary consumer eats the monkey, it will only get half of the energy. Now, the final part of our tropical food chain. Would you like to introduce yourself, sir?
Oh, hi. I'm Larry. I am a tertiary consumer. I am also a turkey vulture. I eat meat off of bones of dead organisms.
Zena, what happens when a population grows large in the environment?
Well, Nicole, that's called carrying capacity. Also, when a population grows larger than the carrying capacity, limiting factors in the environment cause individuals to die early.
Something else I don't know, Olivia.
Well, you don't know about competition. Competition is when one or two individuals or populations try to use the same resource, which causes them to fight for the resource.
Yeah!
For example, the elk in Yellowstone National Park compete for the same food plant.
One way animals try to get food or try not to be eaten is by using camouflage. In this next game, you will try to find the animal. It might be hard because they will be camouflaging.
Defensive coloration is when animals use colors to defend themselves. With this, animals think that they are poisonous. Some animals use chemicals to defend themselves. For example, the skunk sprays predators with irritating chemicals. The hooded patohi contains a deadly toxin.
Symbiosis is when two animals have a relationship. But not all the time. Each one benefits.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It feels electric, baby, when I turn it on. I'll do
Cringe.
the city. I'll do my we're flying on the ceiling.
Lavina, I'm videotaping.
Oh, this is kind of embarrassing. But a mutualism relationship is when both organisms benefit from each other. A commensalism relationship is when one organism benefits and the other is unaffected.
A parasitism relationship is when one animal benefits and the other one gets harmed.
That's all. Wait! Where are you?
I'm up on the balcony.
What? Seriously, Nicole? Revenge! Tune in next time for more Nicole and Lavina show. Bye!
Thanks for watching!